Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into the Bank of Canton account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Bank of Canton account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address the Bank of Canton.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Canton Bank. Over here you can see this is the home page. Now to log into your Bank of Canton account online on your computer, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface you can see here it is the online banking login option available for us. Click on the online banking login and this kind of interface or a panel will appear from where you'll be able to log into your Bank of Canton account. Now in order to proceed, you can see guys here this is the personal banking. If you click on these two categories of bank accounts will appear. Either it's your business account or your personal account. Choose over here. Mine one is the personal, so I'll be choosing in the personal. After choosing your category, enter your user ID of your bank account over here, and after that enter your password over here which you had registered on Bank of Canton at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can already reset it from over here where it says forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Bank of Canton account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Bank of Canton account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Bank of Canton account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.